Alright, so we need to... Why is it spinning? Why am I spinning? What's going on?
Because I think I was looking and then you paused it and then I stopped.
Alright, I think we figured out last time we need to get to... I've forgot how to play this game.
Oh, that's right. I have harpoons.
I think you're controlling my camera.
Yeah, because I control the lantern.
Can we get up in here?
The lights.
We can, okay.
Oh, we can.
Well, you had said something last time about using the gun to take out the big thing. Oh,
Yeah,
I hear him.
Looks like a, is it a cannon or a gun?
It looks like a cannon. What's this red thing?
It's a buoy.
It should be.
Don't forget you have a crowbar. I got a knife.
I do have a crowbar. Let me get in. Okay, there's a door over here. Yeah.
What a light.
Is it doing anything?
Oh, it opens.
Okay, let's see.
Abort!
Okay.
I think it's fired.
I think we need a bullet.
Oh.
That's a spent cartridge. I need an actual bullet. Okay. Now what?
You're gonna fire a blank.
Oh, there's bullets right here.
Oh, there it is.
I might not should
But they're
have...
spent, it looks like.
Well, so was that other one that popped out of there. Okay, there's a thing right here. What's this do?
It never came out of the hole.
Okay.
It stayed in the hole. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I think this aims it.
We just switched places. Are we loading it or are we aiming it? What are we doing? Think of it. I was coming over to where you were, and then all of a sudden, it's, oh fuck, motherfucker. What the hell?
I'm supposed to rotate the wheel. I'm just gonna hold left. See what that does. Oh.
Alright, where's the thing?
Oh, what the hell?
You let go.
I didn't know which way I was turning. Did you see which way you were turning?
I was holding down left. What the fuck just happened to you?
I tried to stab you and I disappeared.
Why are you stabbing me?
Like, do you see the wheel? Because I don't see the wheel.
No, I see it pointing. I see the gun pointing.
Okay.
I think we need. I don't remember where it was. You let go.
Then I glitch everywhere.
Oh, there it is. I think. No. I think I see it. Get back over here on the wheel. Dadgummit.
You're glitched over there.
How am I glitched? Yeah, there it is. It's right there.
I don't see it. I just see wall.
Okay. Right. Stop. Right there. That's good. We're aimed like kind of.
I'm
right at
glitched.
it. Stay together to stay alive. Where are you?
I'm stuck below the cannon.
Oh well, we're gonna die.
I'm outside. Yeah.
It's okay. It was all a glitchy ass dream.
But when you said something about you see the monster, I'm like, I don't see nothing. I see the window. That's all I see.
Oh Lord, is this gonna be the end of our game right here? Cause. All right, let's try this again.
Oh, there it goes. Okay.
Okay, now you're seeing what I was seeing through the little window.
Yeah. Yeah. There it is.
Can we go up and down?
No.
Okay, so that's just it right there. Then I'm assuming.
Okay, that's nice. That's.
Okay.
I think
now, flop, flink, floop.
I think we have to look at between all these and see that maybe we should put an empty one in.
All right, and then we fire, I guess.
Nothing. It's empty.
I don't
I
know.
was thinking we had to go like to the island where the nozzle is first looking at, and then maybe something over there.
I don't even know where the boat is.
Boat at?
I don't know. I just slid up here and it kind of disembarked us. There's the dude. There's the boat.
Like I'm trying to give you a massage.
I could use
I'm
one.
a little. I'm sure you could.
Okay, where's the thing at?
Right there. That way is a monster. We go this way.
I can't. I hate that you're controlling my camera angle. That is driving me insane.
Sorry, it drove me into it as well.
Okay, there's nothing here but rocks.
I don't know if my lantern controls the camera or I control the camera. There's a buoy out there.
Yeah, I see that. I don't know if I'm supposed to be following the buoy to something.
There's a ladder there.
Where? Oh yeah.
Right in front of us.
Yeah.
There's multiple ladders, I suppose. I don't know. Yeah, I don't like me controlling your camera either.
There's. Oh, it's birds. I was like, what's moving? Press X to equip and use my weapon? How do I use my weapon? Oh.
Bitch, get off me. Oh god, there's physics. You can touch the bird wing and it moves.
I didn't realize we could use a weapon.
I mean, I did slash the sniffer's fingers, my weapon, but your weapon only like
It does bludgeoning damage?
Yeah, it closes or opens doors. I don't know why it says close. I'm inside you. We are one.
Oh, I actually. Oh, this is.
I don't like this.
I don't either.
Oh, there's poppies up here. I don't know if they're poppies. Now we jump.
We're out of the dark, we're out of the woods, we're out of the night.
Oh, sorry, there's a bird in here. We're going towards that ominous mountain.
I guess.
It looks like a mountain. I think it's a barn. Because there's a road. Oh, it looks like a road. Lots of birds here.
Are we gonna find giant ass bullets inside this barn?
Probably. Why the camera switched like it did? I didn't like that.
Alright. We get into the barn.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's over here.
Oh. Hello.
Oh, hey, there's
piggy.
There's piggies. It's my people.
I see something. I see a skin suit, I think, with a rat with it.
Yeah. I'm seeing what you're seeing.
Oh, okay. It'd be missed opportunity to. Oh, here we go. There's a hole in the fence.
Oh, yeah. I'm coming. God dang. Found the door. Open the door. Hold the door.
Is there a key? Oh.
Oh, what was that? I heard a thing.
I also heard a thing. Someone open our door. That was weird. I think we hit the button at the same time. Oh.
Oh, this fell.
Get out of here, you rat!
Bugger.
Oh, the key.
Yeah. Damn it. Gruff. Yeah. Whack!
You
A whacker, you dead.
thought you were living, but now you're walking dead. The
Hey.
way your character looked at me.
This just look like I'm fucking here. God dang. Open the door.
Key.
Hold the door. Piggies, my family, I'm here.
Oh god, it's dark. Like there.
Oink oink. Oink. Oink oink. Oink oink oink.
What is this? Oh, the pig right there. I thought it was a
Oink oink.
sphinx suit.
I'm just seeing if there's anything over here.
You just walked
Oh,
over
there's
shit.
a thing.
What was that? Oh, it's a bunny.
I lit something. I lit a candle.
Oh shit, I'm on shit.
Oink oink oink, my fellow pigs. Oink oink.
You gonna ride a pig?
Oink 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 oink. Oink. Oh, what am I clicking on? Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry.
Touch its ass.
I hope these guys please don't fart. Door?
Or? A door? Oh. Oh.
Oh. Were we supposed to come out here?
Is there a secret out here? It's shaving. The bird.
Bird. Booger. Oh shit. Whack. I'm gonna whack at you.
More birds? Get out of here.
I know. Go away.
Oh, okay.
You bird dick. Keep forgetting I have a lighter. Tractor. Oh,
Poster.
poster. Oh, this bridge does not look safe.
Did you build it?
No.
Oh, it goes to the lighthouse. Oh, I was gonna say maybe we should
There's
just explore
a
the barn more.
big old line of birds. I'm assuming we're gonna go back there because we gotta go back through there to get back to the boat.
Okay.
I'm just assuming. I don't know.
I would think so, because I think the pigs actually blocked the path to the right there. Their friend just stayed over there. Did it all that coming for? Okay, the door just be locked.
That would actually be funny, I think. Hello? Any fellow piggies here?
I don't think
Oh my
pigs are
God.
allowed in this.
It's my worst night. Okay, I'll leave. I'll go back outside. Oh God, it's my worst nightmare.
I
Stairs.
think running with a lantern's the smartest thing. You don't like spiral spare?
I don't like.
What is that thing?
I don't like stairs. Period. Oh, let me give you a lift.
Oh, what?
Oh, there's another
Hey,
dude.
get out of there.
There's a dude in there. Hello,
Don't grab me by my feet,
fellow
please.
child. Oh,
What
hi.
is that? That's a pelican. Oh, shit, that was terrifying.
That's, oh God! 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 Door! Thank you. Oh, there's a little fella.
Pelican.
Oh God! Fucking
shit.
Fucking run! Fucking run! Fucking run! Oh God!
See where the birds are.
Oh God!
Don't eat me. Don't eat me.
Oh God! Every child for himself.
I'm a female. What? The bird can't fly. Keep running, little snake.
Oh God! Oh God! Where is? Oh yeah, over here. Yeah.
Run through the wall. Oh god, he's out here as well.
I don't like it.
Oh god.
What is happening?
There's a bunch of birds on this.
Oh,
You
who got
stuck
caught?
on a rock.
Was that me?
Yeah.
Oh,
You ran into like a stump of some kind.
I did not realize I was stuck. It's okay, because it was all a dream. I'm here, you bitch. Run.
Yeah, you ran into like a tree stump or something. Yeah, that one. Or whatever. You ran into that stump.
Hold on. Yeah! Pigs. Oh,
That's a big pig.
that's a mama pig. Oh god. Oh god. Get him, mama pig. Oh god, here. Follow the herd. Follow the herd. Gonna burn. He's gonna burn. He's gonna burn. What was the purpose of us coming all the way up here? Tarred and feathered, save your friend from the birds.
We were trying to find ammo.
We found another friend. We now have 2 friends.
There's a.
We get many more friends.
Stop.
We get many more friends. We're not going to be able to fit on the boat.
We have more cannon fodder, I think. This is the rest stop.
Well, how's everybody doing? Oh, we're talking.
You know why we're here? No idea. I wish there was like different colored subtitles so you know who's talking.
Why is our new friend backing away from you? Oh, what, Z, what are you doing?
Oh, something inside me. Something evil. Oh god.
There's a sheep inside you?
What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh. I couldn't tell if it was a cutscene or... Oh god. There's a demon sheep inside me.
I can see that. You good?
I didn't realize our new friend was backing away.
Hey, yeah. Our new friend is a mummy.
Let's see that first.
We're not actually going to get on that, are we? I guess we are. I don't know. Hello?
Oh.
I guess we're getting on the school bus. Let's sit here.
Are there more favorable?
See, okay, we're the stupidest children in history. We just got on a random bus with some dude. We deserve everything that's about to happen to us.
Drew asked what time tonight.
8 o'clock. Are we in a tunnel?
I think so. We're from looking for a shell to this.
Apparently. Apparently we're where we're supposed to be.
Oh god, why is this guy so shiny?
Goodbye, I guess. You're just gonna drop us off at this random building? You're the worst school bus driver in the fucking world. This doesn't even look like school.
Look around. What's over here?
You bang, boingy boingy.
A fence. Can't get past the fence.
There is a ladder.
That does not have. rungs on it.
Oh, I guess we're not going up there. What?
What, gonna toss your ass up here or
Oh,
what?
wait,
Like I
wait.
said.
Ah! Ow, my piggy butt.
Are you okay, sir?
I fell on my piggy butt. I fell on my crowbar, went up my ass.
That's an interrogated tail now.
I like how we didn't even try the door first.
We all know when it worked, right? We get that locked animation. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, don't mind me and my barbarian ways.
Let me see that first.
Do you even know what you're doing, man? Oh, wait, hello? Hey, I'm about to get over here, sheep lady.
I'm a sheep. I'm no sheep.
Demon sheep lady.
Don't toss me out of this window.
Oh, I thought the kid was holding a gun for a second.
Didn't you fall on the bed?
Oh, okay, that's better. I'll try to cross that pipe. This is creepy
God.
as fuck, actually. Hi. Oh, why would you do that?
I didn't know. There's no one on the bed?
Why are you destroying the children?
Why not?
Ow. Almost stabbed
They're
me, a little
comfy.
psycho. These poor children. I want to hit one.
I can see that one. There's one.
That one just came back.
Yeah,
Oh,
treatment.
break all the petrified kids in the clock tower. Oh,
I think I need a crowbar here.
we're in a clock tower. For what? Oh,
This thing here.
give me a hand. What's in the wardrobe? Oh, does this look like a hatch? A hatch? And it's not reinforced?
Got it. Oh shit, you do got it.
See, I don't need you. I know what I'm doing.
Pick up around real quickly.
Somebody should have reinforced this hatch. Whee! Rat! Hello. Possible new friends. Z, are you good? Z.
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
What'd you do? Why is the bed broken?
We have possible new
There's
friends.
kids over there.
Hi, new friends. Oh, you're gonna. Oh, I don't like it. I'm just gonna preemptively strike because they were advancing on me menacingly.
Yeah, that's fair.
I think we're supposed to
There's
go
a
through
hole
this.
there,
Yeah.
a hole there.
Oh no.
Flip a coin. You can open them? Oh, you can't. Nah, I'm coming, I'm coming.
Oh,
There's a king.
there is. Are we? Oh, okay. Are we? Do we need to go to court? Is that what we're here for?
That's in the pot.
Oh God. Clink, 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 clink. Objection, Your Honor! Get off her! That's my demon sheep lady.
I see you back there.
Oh, you think you're gonna get away? I think so.
I saw it. Wait, Captain, wait, come back!
Oh, sorry,
Come back!
sorry. Where are you?
What the hell were you doing?
I don't know. I was
There's
just
rain
walking
over
over this way, and all of a sudden you started panicking.
Where'd the king go?
I don't
Kill the
know.
king?
Maybe.
The door here. Oh, what was that noise I heard?
Oh,
There's a piggy
where's
there.
the pig? Mama pig? What was that?
No!
Something
Oh,
just
it's all hanging.
something just stole that pig.
There's a door here and a door down there.
I don't like it. Z, they're gonna eat me.
Still
They like to eat
works.
pigs.
The door does not work. You better take that pig mask off.
No,
Hey, come here.
I am pig. I am an oink oink pig.
Oh, what the hell?
Nope, I didn't see
There's a
shit.
kid that just crawled up that.
I don't know what you're talking. I didn't see shit. Oh yeah, it's a lever.
Oh, the lever! Oh, shit! My God.
I don't know if we're supposed to be going in here, but I went in here.
That was terrifying. Hello.
Oh, back! I hit you. You're a demon sheep lady.
No, no. Oh, that was weird.
Hey,
There's a poster
poster!
Oh, oh.
Is that the only reason we come in here?
No. They opened this thing for us.
Oh, okay. Look at
Look at it.
Oh, hi. Look, he might have been good, and you just struck without thinking. Oh, there's
Oh,
one
shit.
throwing shit at us.
I got your stick. Oh,
You
shit.
got my stick. Get beat upon. Oh, there's a thing over here. Get beat up, boy.
I gotta leave the stick.
Wouldn't have happened if you got good.
There's a hole we gotta jump.
All you had to have done, boy, was got good.
Oh god, I don't like how dark it is in here.
I don't either. This is.
This person's moving.
Oh god. Oh, ow. Z, help me.